we're in the delivery room together, and it's time for this birth. And so, if I can see. Okay, so, usually when we get together, the metaphor is we just start, frying chicken. Oil starts popping. And it's like, is it popcorn? Let's make it popcorn.
Hey.
Okay.
This is not going to be a sort of a long conversation. When I speak for a long time, that comes next in a couple of minutes. But the opportunity to be here with you today to launch the opening of this center is absolutely amazing. When we first started thinking about the points where health, equity, and science education would come together, it happened in a hallway conversation. And what was fascinating about the conversation was some of the work that Dr. Wallace was doing intersected so nicely with the work that I was doing with young people. And some of the things I was seeing in my conversations with them about how they made sense of themselves and how they lived their lives and the larger sort of health issues surrounding their experiences were mirrored in her focus explicitly on health. And so, to think that this seemingly fleeting conversation could get to the point where we're able to spark a center together. And I know we'll talk later on today about how this work comes together. It's absolutely amazing. So I'm just excited to have the opportunity to share the birth of this work with you.
So it's 10:30 going on 10:31, and so we be born. Okay, we are launched. My sister gets very upset with me, so if my sister's watching, I apologize. Okay, so then we have Michelle here, and so part of what goes along with you choosing health and hip hop is that we're asking you to start following us on Twitter at CHEUSE TC.
CHEUSE_TC. Let me do the social media piece.
Okay, you go for
I
it.
got
I'm
this
old
piece.
school, okay?
Yeah, I know. I'll do the new school version. So right now, our Twitter handle is CHEUSE, CHEUSE_TC. And the hashtag for this conversation, who's tweeting right now? Who has a Twitter account right now? So, okay, those of you who have a Twitter account, you need to start tweeting ASAP. Those of you who don't, go in the hallway and get one. We want to sort of start tweeting live the conversations that we're having today. I mean, this is truly a groundbreaking event, and we're going to sort of trouble the norms a bit here today and sort of describe a lot of innovation in this work. So we'd like to share that with the world. So right now, please get on Twitter. If there's anything that's said over the course of the conference that you find exciting or innovative or even perplexing, tweet them and use the hashtag, which is the # CHEUSE, and we'll be able to sort of see the conversations that you're having and also reflect that in our conversations with you.
Yeah, and if you have a question, we're also going to take them through that manner with Michelle monitoring. Just so that we're going to let this moment endure. The idea is that, I don't know, how many people gave $5 to Obama's presidential campaign? All right, somebody did. It added up. And so, as symbolic of our launch at 10:30, we're asking that as a part of this whole movement, that you consider donating $10.30. We're going to give you free lunch tomorrow, so that's about $10.30. And so everything's set up on the website, and please consider doing that. All right, so this is your opportunity to mingle. We can actually have a bit of a longer break. Some births are difficult. You'd be pushing and pushing and Well, this one was easy. So that means instead of your 15-minute break, you get to spend 26 minutes opening your Twitter account. Okay, raise your hand if you could help somebody open a Twitter account right now. Raise your hand. Okay. Oh, come on, more of you.
Yeah.
Come on. Okay, so, it's about social networking. It's not only about us networking with each other in person, but you could do double duty by doing this kind of social networking. Okay, so we're looking forward to something spectacular. For those of you who've heard Professor Emdin speak or spit, you know that you're going to be back here exactly on time.